Here's the thing, yeah? When it comes to reviewing audio equipment, earbuds, earphones, headphones, the like, sound speakers, this is where the audience really has faith in whatever this content creator is saying. In this case, this is where you guys have a ton of faith in me, because depending on what I say, these earbuds are good, these earbuds are trash. You have to take my word for it. And on that note, what's up you guys? Lord has been here back again with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the SoundCore R100 earbuds. These are bad boys right here. Now, before we get started, I'd like to make a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, Joe's Budget Garage. Thank you so much for sending over the SoundCore R100 earbuds for review. And if you have to check this out by the end of this review, link in the description below. Before we get started though, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've hacked the algorithm. We know that the algorithm serves videos to more and more people depending on the number of likes, so smash that like button while you're at it as well. First impressions when I took these out of the box was that is one shiny black case. And true, it is. In fact, this is the shiniest, cutest, prettiest charging case for earbuds I've seen or used. But bro, the scratches on this thing, as at now, I've had this in my pocket with me playing around with them for the past week, and those scratches are intense. Oh my goodness, those scratches are intense. And that is a segue for me to introduce the new channel sponsor, Ricky Customs. Yeah, I'm probably going to drop this off with him later on in the day to get them skinned. So if you are looking for a custom skin for your phone, for your laptop, for your earbuds case, link to Ricky Customs in the description below. Cool. So what were my first impressions when I took this out of the box, apart from the shiny pretty black case? Number one, this hinge feels pretty solid. The case feels pretty premium, and here's where things start getting, a bit unique. When you take them out of the box, you're instructed to open the case for a couple of seconds, wait for your phone to pick them up. When the earbuds are picked up, you can pair while they're still in the case, and then you can take them out to listen to music. You get a tiny button down there which you can just press for a couple of seconds. Anker say 10 seconds and it'll erase every device it's ever paired to. Oh, and USB Type-C to charge the case. That is where the standard should be in 2021. Okay, here is something I've noted though. I am a two-phone person. Okay, I rock the Redmi Note 10 Pro that I reviewed a couple of months ago. If you wanna see that review, link in the description, or I'll leave a link up top. And I use this, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, here's the thing. There's more sound options, sound features on the mid-range Redmi Note 10 Pro to go with this. Okay, I'm talking stuff like AAC audio toggles. I'm talking about absolute volume toggles, which you're going to get to in a bit, because there's a compromise with absolute volume. Features you don't quite get on the premium flagship S21 Ultra. Walk with me here. So on here, you get the absolute volume and the toggle for AAC audio. On here, it's just options for toggling whether to use this for calls and whether to play audio through this, and of course the usual unpair, rename features. Here's the thing, here's where it starts getting a bit techy. Absolute volume on the Redmi Note 10 Pro allows you to keep the volume of these earbuds and the phone constant at all times. That is great. When it works, it's good. The volume is good, really clear, the sound is rich. But the downside to that is the inconsistency at which the volume between these two are. You might be listening to some good music, volume is good, buzz is good, and all of a sudden the buzz just trips all the way. There's no buzz. Or on the flip side, the volume is so low and all you're getting through the earbuds is just buzz. You turn that feature off and the volume is, if with absolute volume, you are getting 100% volume. With this, the max volume you can get with absolute volume turned off, the max volume you can get is say 80%. And coming from absolute volume to absolute volume off, you feel that difference and it kind of just ruins the whole music experience. Flip side to the S21 Ultra, which feature-wise in the app looks quite basic. The sound is full, rich, it's so good. It's a 10 out of 10 type of audio experience with zero toggles for absolute volume or AAC audio. If you do train your mind, you just live on the basic settings of the earbuds in the Bluetooth settings, you're not really lacking or missing a lot on here. And if anything, training your ears for that type of sound is enough. It's quite sufficient. We're gonna get deeper into the downsides of this in a bit, but segue to call quality. Hello. Good morning. How are you doing? Oh, hi. So, Mimi, I'm at the studio. I'm shooting a video over here. Yeah, the grind doesn't stop, man. I'm reviewing the earbuds I got the other day. Yeah, okay, they're not hearing you. You're in my ears right now. Yeah, how's the audio quality? The microphone quality, because I'm talking through the earbuds. On a scale of 1 to 10? A 7. Oh, so they're that good. Oh, you can feel some echo. Maybe it's because I've not yet like sound treated the studio yet, but okay, cool. They're good, yeah? You're hearing me clearly. So. There you have it, folks. 7 out of 10 sound quality on the microphones. Now, how's the sound quality when you're playing music? Audio quality is good, the bass is good, treble is good, the highs, the lows, the mids are well configured. You pick up everything. I'd give the sound quality, overall quality, a solid 8 out of 10. Now, here is where we start going into the sort of downsides or things you should know before you start committing to these. And by the way, if you do commit to these, they're going to set you back 4,500 bob Kenyan shillings retail. Now, one thing I've noticed with these, you're listening to music and one earbud cuts out. Takes 2 seconds, comes back in. Okay? Worst case scenario, both earphones cut out. Take 2-3 seconds, then come back in. Worst case scenario is an earbud cuts out and it doesn't come back on, and you have to take it out, put it back in the case, give it 3 seconds, take it out, and it pairs all over again, and you're back to listening to music. Another, not quite an issue, but will be issue, this falls in the realm of you really have to train your brain to kind of get accustomed to these earbuds. These earbuds, each earbud, the left and the right, have tactile buttons. You see that right over there? That right there is a tactile button. This here is a tactile button. Having tactile buttons is a pretty good implementation, but you really need to learn. 1 tap does this, 2 taps on the right does this, 1/2 tap on the left bud does this, 1, 2, 3 things. Yeah, it's a whole learning curve. But flip side, you might just forget they exist and use your phone directly to play, pause music, skip tracks, etc, launching Google Assistant, everything. So far, so good though, because they've not fallen out of my ears yet. I'm using the medium-sized ear tips that they come out of the box with. And speaking of which, before I forget, these are noise insulating. Keyword insulating, not noise cancelling. Mark that, okay? Because it's going to be relevant in a bit. These are noise insulating. You put them into your ear and all of a sudden, the outside world and there's a boundary right there. Not high-end noise cancelling tech, but it still works. And that's a quick foreshadow. I kind of wished, again, this is me nitpicking and wanting more for the price. I kind of hoped or wished these would have had a transparency mode. As of now, they don't. You have to take an earbud out to listen to the outside world or interact with the outside world. And while we're talking about that, they don't have that take out to pause feature. Music still keeps playing. Again, for the price, you can't expect such features built into this. Would have loved to see an app to go with these for fine-tuning of audio, extra audio features, extra audio playback control in the app. That would have been a nice plus, but I'm guessing again for the price, what more could you want? That said, the Anker R100 earbuds are a pretty good deal for what you get, for the sound you get, for the functionality you get. They're a pretty good deal for 4,500 Kenyan shillings. This is where we end the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to hit that like button. It helps YouTube get this video to more and more people out there. If you enjoyed this review, share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Lord Hezon here. Quick foreplay. Quick foreshadow. There's going to be a lot of audio content coming to the channel pretty soon. So you want to stick around for that. I've got a massive giveaway coming up. Details to that to follow. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram to find out more. You want to be around for the next couple of videos. That's all I can say. Anyway, Lord Hezon here, signing out. See you in the next one. Peace.